Databutton versus Cursor versus Bolt. Which AI coding is better? In today's video, we're comparing the three powerful AI tools built to help you write, build, and deploy apps faster. So we've got Databutton, which is for building full web apps with AI, Cursor, an AI-powered code editor, and Bolt, a fast coding copilot with a chat-first interface. Now let's go ahead and find out which one might be the best fit for you. Let's start off with a Databutton. So Databutton is an AI app builder that helps you go from an idea to a working web app fast. You just describe what you want and it helps generate the backend, UI, and even some logic. Pros: great for non-devs or solo founders. AI handles Python, UI, and databases. Clean hosted deployment system. Great for building SaaS prototypes or tools. Cons: limited to certain tech stacks, mostly Python based, less flexible for advanced devs, not built for complex code bases. Now, this is best for entrepreneurs, makers, and low code developers. All right, next we've got Cursor, which is a modern AI first code editor based on VS Code. It lets you chat with your code, refactor, explain functions, and generate new code using GPT models. Pros: seamless coding plus chat experience, deep project awareness, fast reliable suggestions, GPT-4 built-in for deeper coding help. Cons: this is not free, but it does offer a trial. Needs strong internet and API credit if using custom models, geared towards experienced developers. Now, this is best for devs who want an all-in-one editor powered by AI. Now, next is Bolt. So Bolt is a newer AI coding assistant with a chat-first interface that plugs into your workflow. It's like having a coding teammate you can talk to while building. Pros: it has a clean chat UI, works across multiple languages, fast responses with fewer hallucinations, lightweight and simple to use. Cons: still in early development, not a feature packed as Cursor, and less IDE integration for now. Now, this is best for devs who like chat-based workflows and fast prototyping. Alright, so go for a Databutton if you want to build full apps quickly with minimum code, or choose Cursor if you want an AI native code editor with deep project integration, or go ahead and choose Bolt if you want a fast chat-focused coding copilot that helps you iterate. All three are great, it just depends on what you're building and how you like to work.